The National Helpline for Senior Citizen or Elder Line toll-free number was inaugurated on Monday at the Conference Hall Directorate of Social Welfare, Shillong. Minister in charge of Social Welfare, Kyrmen Shylla, graced the program as the chief guest, along with Sampat Kumar IAS, Didi Shira, the Director of Social Welfare, and other dignitaries present at the program. Speaking at the inauguration ceremony, the minister said that the helpline will be operational from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day in a toll-free number 14567. The helpline will provide assistance to the elderly or senior citizen above 60 years of age. The helpline will providing assistance to the elderly citizen, be it emergency or non-emergency assistance.
In all the districts. The government is also providing various other schemes or programs for the elderly through the Health Department, Community and Synardi Block Departments, Food and Civil Supply Departments, etc. Realizing the needs of the elderly, the state government will plan to establish old age home in every district of the state in coordination with the NGOs in the next 5 years. I therefore invite viable NGOs to come forward to avail the various schemes available under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and the Director of Social Welfare may be contacted for any assistance. The department will also provide adequate budget provision in the next financial year for construction of a permanent old age home at Meghalaya, so as to cater the need for shelter, food, medical requirement of the elderly having no family support. To conclude, I would like to express my sincerest gratitude and congratulate the department, the program manager, Elder Helpline, along with all the support staff in organizing this program and for making the helpline fully functional from this day. I am sure the helpline will benefit the elderly in our state. With these few words, thank you, Meghalaya.